Let's explore the top 5 most breathtaking places in Singapore you must visit. Number 1. Gardens by the Bay. Step into a futuristic paradise with towering super trees and the magical cloud forest. Number 2. Marina Bay Sands Sky Park. Catch panoramic views of Singapore's skyline. It's a view you'll never forget. Number 3. Sentosa Island. Relax on golden beaches or enjoy thrilling adventures at Universal Studios. Number 4. Jewel Changi Airport. Don't miss the world's largest indoor waterfall. It's a masterpiece of nature and architecture. Number 5. Chinatown. Discover vibrant culture, delicious food, and beautiful temples. Which spot is your favorite? Drop a comment below and subscribe to Facto Travel for more travel inspiration.